Hey, what is going on, guys? So today we're going out for a ride. We're out here on Lake Denmark Road. We're at some side park right now. Just give you guys a quick walk around before I get riding. This is my 2021 Kawasaki ZX6R KRT edition. Super dirty right now, but give you guys a quick walk around of the mods that I've done so far. So first we got the tech spec tank grips, the full set, so you get the centerpiece and then two side pieces on each side. I got the Womit Tech frame sliders from TST Industries. I got this green Amazon spool slider. On the other side we got the M4 Street Slayer exhaust, the slip-on, and it's the carbon one. I'll turn it on for you guys and give it a few revs, but that's it so far. Oh, and I also plasti dipped the windscreen, but as you can see I really need to give this bike a wash. But let's turn it on for you guys. Get up close. Really loud. That's just like flipping the throttle. Damn, it's loud. Probably scaring all the deer. Woo! Sounds so good. But let's get going before I get in trouble out here. Well, look at this spot. This spot's beautiful. Really nice. Alright, let's get going. Can't believe it's already halfway through December and I'm still riding, which is awesome. Ooh, this is a sketchy place to turn around. Let's go, baby. Is such a good road to practice on. Love this bike. That's it. But that's it for the video. Just quick and simple. Just gave you guys a walk around and a quick little twisty video. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. We're at like almost 940 now. Just need 60 more subscribers to get to 1K. So if you like the video, please give this video a like and please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.